To insert your kiss cut blade into the tangential blade holder, look for the notch or friction point on the blade itself. Line the friction point of the blade up with the friction point on the blade holder and insert the blade. Notice here how the friction point of the blade slots into the blade holder. Give the blade a little tug to ensure it is fastened securely. To insert, locate the tab on the blade holder, then slowly drop the blade straight into the cutting head. Spin the blade holder until you feel the tab fall into place. After that, hold the nose piece and screw the blade in until you see the tip of the blade under the nose piece. It is important that the depth of the blade showing beneath the nose piece is not thicker than the material you are cutting. Once your blade is set, it is time to do a test cut. Select the pressure menu from the home screen and choose a knife pressure by using the up and down arrows or the number pad. A good starting pressure is 125 grams to ensure you don't wear your blade down while testing. Press the play button on the right side to perform a test cut. The test pattern for a kiss cut is a square with an X in the center. The first thing to look for in this test cut is that you can easily peel the square off the material. The second thing you want to look for is that you are not cutting all the way through the backer of your material. Run your finger on the back side of your material where the test cut is and check to see that you haven't cut all the way through. The last thing you want to look for are the outlines of the test pattern on top of your material where the test was performed. In this diagram, you can see the outline of the test pattern on the top side of the backer, underneath the square you peeled away. Adjust your knife pressure until your kiss cut is easy to peel away, shows the outline of the test pattern, and does not cut through the backing on your material. Once you have passed those 3 checks, your blade depth and knife pressure are good to go. When switching tools, note that once a blade is in position, it will spin freely. The only way to remove a tool from the cutting head is by first gripping the nose piece in place with one hand, then unscrewing the blade holder until you can remove the blade. When placing or removing a tool, be sure to go in and out as straight as possible to prevent the tip of your blade from breaking or dulling. Before inserting the drag knife blade, you will need to change the nose piece. Pull the cutting head into the up position and hold it into place. Then press down on the nose piece to remove it, and it should slide away easily. Now place the drag knife blade nose piece near the cutting head and locate the 2 bearings. Turn the cutting head until you see 2 small holes and line those up with the bearings. This is very important as the nose piece will not stay in place if the bearings are not lined up properly. Lift the cutting head into the up position and place the nose piece directly underneath the cutting head. Then press down to lock the nose piece into place. Next, remove the red sleeve from the drag knife blade. Place the blade directly into the blade holder. Unlike the kiss cut blade, there are no friction points to look for. With the blade inserted securely in the blade holder, place the blade directly into the cutting module, again being careful to place the blade in straight up and down. Hold the nose piece and screw the blade in until the tip of the blade is just about even with the bottom of the nose piece. Finally, before making test cuts with the drag knife blade, you need to change the tool from the S3 menu. On the home screen, select the tool on the touch screen and change the tool to drag knife. Make your test cuts using the same process as the kiss cut blade, starting at 125 grams and using the same series of checks in the test pattern, adjusting knife pressure as needed. And with that, you're all set. Like and subscribe for more S3 tutorials and guides.